Good day, everyone. It's David Paul speaking. About 5 to 5 on Friday, the 16th of August. I'm looking at the front page of VectorVest, folks. This is after the close on the 15th. And after a down day, VectorVest does not advocate buying any stocks at this time. So we've had a sell-off, and those of you that follow the VectorVest program will know that the trends on VectorVest have been down now for quite a few weeks. So as a part of my own discipline, I always like to look for shares that have done well in a sell-off, and one of the shares that has prospered in this particular sell-off is the following, and it's a company called Avast. I think many of us will know. They're in the news a lot because of a great deal of problems with secrecy and protocols on the internet. So it's recently listed in London over the last little while, 18 months old. It's trading at £3.68, but VectorVest believes it's worth £5, which means that it's significantly undervalued. And it was up 12 pence yesterday, 3.43% on an exceptionally good set of results. The relative value, which measures the price appreciation potential over a window of 3 years into the future in relation to a AAA rated corporate bond, is an outstanding 1.44. Anything above 1.3 is excellent. Relative safety, 0.92. It's got a relatively short trading history, so the relative safety less than 1. And the trend outstanding at 1.5 on a scale between 0 and 2. And when we put all those three things together, we have an excellent master indicator VST at 1.31. It's on a buy recommendation. The stop loss is 324, and the growth rate, we believe that this company is going to grow earnings next year at a whopping 27%, which is just outstanding. Now, the chart is saying all is good. This is the chart loaded over the last 6 months. The green line above the price, of course, is our valuation. So we've got this big margin of safety, as Benjamin Graham would have said. And we've got earnings per share rising strongly. And as you can see, the share price, if I get my horizontal line, the share price came back recently and kissed that old top, which is perfectly normal, and is now pushing up the page. It's on a buy recommendation, folks. So the fundamental position of the share is good. The technical position of the share is excellent. It's broken out and come back and kissed, which leaves it free to move. But the technical position of the overall market leaves an awful lot to be desired at the moment. The FTSE has had a good day today. The S&P seems to have bottomed out today. On VectorVest, we have a system of green lights, and the front page of VectorVest will tell us exactly when it's safe to be buying shares. But I believe that Avast is something that you should look at, folks, and I think this can quite easily be a big percentage winner. I don't think it's going to do it that quickly, but I think over the next weeks and months, this share can now move up towards the 450 level relatively easy indeed. So keep your eye on that. But very importantly, folks, the most important thing to know is whether the market is rising or falling. And at the moment, based on the close yesterday, it's not a time to be too brave in this particular market. I hope that helps. Thank you.